From all over the world to Miss International Queen 2025. Floor M Square Shopping Mall, the M District, Bangkok, Thailand.
The winner of the best nowadays in just a moment. And what has been the biggest learning experience from that?
Phấn đấu, cố gắng vì mục tiêu đó. Và một cậu bé didn't feel like me. Now I accept myself. I love it.
For all my life, I've strived to push for perfection.
อยู่บนหน้าเขาแล้วทำให้หน้าเขาสวยสุดไม่ใช่ว่าเราจะทำแบบเดียวกันเหมือนกันในแต่ละรายแต่เราจะต้องออกแบบสำหรับแต่ละ
Sunset and Sea View Bar, Watara Offset, Pegasus Luggage.